In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear space in Google Drive quickly and easily. A perfect tutorial for beginners. If you've noticed storage warnings or simply want to optimize your Google Drive usage, stick around and we'll tidy things up together. First, we need to access the Google Drive website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to google.com Drive. Once there, you'll see the option to sign in. Go ahead and enter your login credentials. It's always a good idea to ensure you're accessing the right account if you manage multiple Google accounts. Ensuring you're signed into the right Google Drive is key to avoid any mix-ups in your files. Once you're signed in, you'll be looking at your main Google Drive interface. Next, focus your attention on the left sidebar where you'll find a tab labeled Storage. Go ahead and click this option. Entering the storage section allows us to quickly identify what files are the memory hogs, since they can sometimes be hidden among less space-consuming files. After clicking on the Storage tab, you'll be greeted with a breakdown of your file usage. This clever feature arranges files by size, making it easier to spot the more substantial digital clutter. In this view, you'll want to take some time to peruse the list. Be mindful not to delete anything you might need later. A good rule of thumb is to check the file's date and its contents. If it's something that hasn't been accessed for a long time, it's likely a candidate for deletion to free up space. Once you've pinpointed a file you no longer need, right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu that shows several options for managing your file. The one we're looking for is Move to Trash. Highlight and click this option. Although the file is sent to your trash, remember it's not entirely erased yet. Carrying out this process systematically with unnecessary files will significantly clear up space. Anytime we delete files, they simply shift to the trash section, which means you can still recover them if needed. To permanently reclaim the space, navigate to the trash section, which is also on the left sidebar. To permanently remove these files from your drive and recover the space, you'll need to empty the trash. Be cautious with this step and double-check that no crucial files remain. That wraps up our quick and straightforward guide to freeing up space on your Google Drive. Regularly repeating this simple cleanup process is a great practice to make sure your cloud storage is always in optimal shape. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.